So, hello guys, welcome back again to my candle making space. Again, my name is Charlie, and for tonight, oh my god, I got some friend right here. Oh yeah, I made an intro without you. Come here, come here. Oh, of course, he wanted to join us. Oh, and there's another one. Oh, Sophie here is trying to give me her ball again to play. My God, Langga, go work pa si mommy ha. Okay, later. We'll do it later. Oh, excuse my babies. Okay. So, yeah, say hi now. Say hi. Hi, guys. Hello, guys. Okay. Go play with Sophie. Okay. Go play now. Okay. So, that was quite an very amazing interruption from our doggies. All right. So, for tonight, guys, I will show you how I add my wig and how I curl my wig. So I received that question from one of the member of the Candle Making Philippines. So she asked me, how did you curl your wig? And are you using a wig with wax or no wax? Okay, so I'm going to show you because normally candle makers, when they attach their wick, they poke a hole here into their mold, like this one. They poke a hole and then they attach their wick, like this one. So in my case, I don't do that. Instead, I attach my wick here. So it's very simple. All you have to do is hit this metal part and then poke a hole into your peony candle, like this one. Okay, and then right after that, I'm going to attach my wick. So I'm using a wick with wax, meaning to say yung wick natin may wax siya mismo. So meron kasing mga wick na wala siyang, oh my god, I'm so sorry, she touched it. Hey, Candy Security, move out. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay. No. Sophie, no. No, Sophie. Where's your ball? For a while, guys, I need to find her ball or else she's going wild. Oh, come on. Here. Okay. Sophia, here's your ball. Okay, so this is very easy. All you have to do is attach your wick here like this one. So, meron na tayong hole. And then, there. Pero, we don't want our wick naman to like move from up, down, up, down. We don't want to do that. So, all you have to do is light this part. I'm going to go closer. Light this part of your candle. So, you will have some melted wax right there. And then, okay, pull. And then, secure your wick. So, just like that. Very simple. And you get this one. So I have everything ready here. So all I have to do is curl my wig. So that is the question for me. How do you curl your wig? So it's very easy again. All you need to do is you need some round thing like this one. This can be used. So just do like this. I can you see it? No. So let me move my camera right here. Okay. So I want to show you closer. Yeah, I hope. Okay. So here. Okay. So all you have to do is attach this one right here and then just twirl. Yes. Sometimes if your wig is too long, that will be too much curl. So it's up to you. You can cut naman your wig to make it shorter or you want to stay it that way. So let's take this as an example. Okay, so here. So I think I will leave my wig to be this way. I don't want to cut it, or what do you think, guys? Yeah, maybe this one looks great already. But make sure when you use this, you cut your wick first before using it. Okay? So it's very cute. Okay, let's proceed. So again, you can start at the center or the middle of the wick. Just twirl it this way, and then go your way down. Twirl until you reach the bottom. Okay, and after that, just release your needle. It's very simple. And I will do this for the rest of my candle. So, masasanay ka din. Okay. So, let me finish this. Okay, so we are now down with 3 left. So, eto, tatlo na lang sila. At saka yung order pala natin is coming from Ma'am Karen from Iloilo City. So, thank you so much for choosing my work. I really appreciate it, Ma'am. Nakita lang ako nila ni Ma'am online. And then, nag-order siya sa akin for her daughter 18th birthday. So, this will be her 18th candles. So, ang ganda ng idea nila. Kasi normally yung ginagamit natin is yung normal candle lang. But, this time, they choose to use scented peony candles. So, yung scent pala nito is lavender scent. So, yes. So, last one. And this is the last one. So, again, guys, just put this one here and twirl. So, kung wala kayong ganito, you can use naman anything na may bilog, like chopstick. Pero, of course, the thicker you use, the more bigger yung curl ng wick ninyo. So, nakikita nyo, ito, it's very cute lang. Maganda lang. And then, yep. That's it. Very simple. So, I hope you learned something, guys. And again, thank you, Ma'am Karen, sa pag-order. So, I hope na next time mag-order pa kayo. So, they are from Iloilo. And thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.